Hello, my name is Glenn Harris and I'm your certified cleaning professional. This short video is to introduce you to the professional cleaning processes that I will be using when I come to your home. First, I will come before cleaning on a visit to provide you with an in-home evaluation of your cleaning needs and expectations. I will physically measure the carpet area you desire to have cleaned. We will discuss the moving of furniture, cleaning time, drying time, cleaning agents to be used, electrical outlets, and water access. After I am done, you will be left with a written cost estimate that will not change. Next, on the day that you have chosen, I will arrive to clean your home with the very IICRC methods which have been recommended by the majority of carpet manufacturers. After arriving, the first step to a clean carpet is to thoroughly vacuum. Vacuuming will remove all dry particulate soil that extraction machines are not designed to remove. I will vacuum under the furniture that can be moved and extract there as well. Next, I will apply a pre-cleaner to your spotted and traffic areas. This pre-cleaner needs what is referred to as dwell time on the carpet to break down oily dirt and spots that will be removed through the extraction process. This is similar to a wash cycle in your washer. Then, I will use a machine that will break loose these oils and leave them suspended for extraction. The machine I will use will brush the carpet back and forth, preparing the carpet for extraction. This process does not damage your carpet, and in fact, it helps lift and separate the fibers for the most effective cleaning. Then, I will bring in the extractor itself. This might be considered the rinse and dry cycle of your washer. One of the things you will notice is that the wand does not produce the overspray that you might have seen before in commercials for steam cleaning. Furniture legs, wall edges are all safe from water overspray. The machinery will now be outside where it will be drained of the unwanted soil, then packed up and allowing you to get back to your day. Enhance has been serving the Tampa Bay area for 15 years, and I have taken great pride in saying that most of my company growth is due to you and your recommending my company. Our most important goal is a clean environment and your satisfaction. You will be pleased with what you see, I guarantee it. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to serving you.